Hey guys, in this video we are going to test the best homebrew kit you can buy right now. I made this checklist based on my personal opinions and study time, and I've listed them based on the security and pricing features. I've included the options for each type of consumer, so you can easily verify this homebrew kit for yourself or your family. We always try to provide customers with informative ideas so that they can easily verify any product. If you would like more information and would like to set an updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Our first choice, Mr. Beer tries hard to simplify the process of home brewing, while at the same time not losing touch with the essentials of the brewer's art. As such, the process will take you a little longer than it will with some other brew kits, but end result is well worth the wait. The premium gold edition of Mr. Beer home brewing kit features what has become the company's signature item. The compact, reusable brown keg fermenter also included are all the ingredients you'll need to produce 2 gallons of high-quality Oktoberfest-style lager. You also have the option of ordering other beer recipes and ingredients so you can keep Mr. Beer busy creating an array of home brews you can offer your guest during their big holiday get-together, barbecue or game. The folks behind Mr. Beer know their stuff, and their insistence that you go through the proper fermentation and carbonation periods add an air of authenticity to the whole process that's missing with some other homebrew kits. At number 2, we shift gears momentarily to shine the spotlight on the Brooklyn Beer Shop Everyday IPA beer mix. There are no homebrew supplies with BBS recipe kit, just high-quality ingredients chosen by the company's certified master brewers. To be sure, you'll need to be familiar with the basics of brewing and have equipment necessary to get the job done. At the same time, though, you won't need any terribly special equipment since the BBS IPA mix yields 1 gallon of brew rather than 5 or 10 gallons like some other kits. You'll appreciate that BBS offers a wide variety of recipe kits, so you can always have different home brews on hand to satisfy your own tastes as well as those of your guests during parties, BBQs, barbecues and holiday gatherings. If you like the idea of brewing your own beer but are not enamored of devising your own recipes, this is the product for you. At number 3, if you are serious about brewing beer, the Brew Demon Craft Beer Brewing Kit is the only product you should be looking at, unlike any other homebrew kit on this test. It includes a conical fermenter, the kind that professional brewers use exclusively. The design allows you to easily remove yeast and sediment at any point, transfer the malts without siphoning, and perform fermentation as well as aging in the same vessel. The fermenter even has a pouring tap, so you can pour it straight into your glass when it's ready. In short, it means better beer and less hassle. On top of that, you get the Evil Pilsner recipe kit, which takes just 15 minutes to brew on the stove. Plus, it comes with all of the necessary equipment to brew your first batch and 1 quart bottles to fill up. At number 4, the Maestro Homebrew Kit from Homebrew Hire won't win any beauty contest, but this is one case where it doesn't matter because this entry in our best homebrew kit list will provide virtually everything you need to start making your own craft beer. We say virtually because, as with most every such kit, you will need to supply your own kettle and bottles. This is more hands-on style of homebrew kit, and that makes it a perfect intermediate kit for those who may have already tried something like Beer Droid or Pico Brew and are ready to take the next step toward establishing their own microbrewery. There's a complete brewing guide included that will help you select the right ingredients and guide you through the steps of turning them into a brew you can call your own. Make sure you also check our list of 10 strongest beers out there, and you may get some ideas of your own brew. At number 5, Northern Brewer has carved out a name for themselves in the homebrew kit business by providing high-quality brewing supplies for aspiring homebrewers along with all the ingredients necessary to produce pub-quality beers. With this kit, they go the extra mile by providing something few other brew kits at any price will. A well-made stainless steel brew kettle, a Brew Share Enjoy kit enables you to brew up to 5 gallons of their block party amber ale. All you need to provide is the patience and beer bottles. In addition, they also offer a variety of other recipes and ingredient kits so you can keep the party going. And just to prove they thought of everything, they've even laminated the instructions because they know that brewing can sometimes be a messy process, a close second in the running for our best value designation. We hope you've enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like on the video, and if you're new here, hit the subscribe button. Until next time, have a nice day.